Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays.
Woo! Chris
Kelly
from Luminary Nail
Nail
Systems. And we wanted to get with you because we've got a special announcement. We know that some of you have seen this coming around the corner. You've been taking your guesses, and I know you've dropped a couple hints on Instagram. Before we get to that though, real quick, I gotta ask you a question.
Yeah.
There's a reindeer in the room. What happened to your antlers?
Oh my god, I forgot. So, if some of you guys didn't know, we have two dogs, and Zoe, she
We don't have dogs. We have German Shepherds.
German Shepherd. She attacked my hat that I specifically got for this video.
Zoe did that?
Zoe did that.
Okay. You know what? Okay, so I got an idea. You will be the very first unideer in history.
Unideer. I'm a unideer. Sweet!
All right. Should we tell them the news?
Okay.
I got a better idea.
What?
Okay, so you know this, but you guys, of course, don't. So you know that we're all about what you guys want, what you think. We welcome your advice, your opinions, your suggestions. And lately, we've been getting a lot of email about a certain specific thing. And rarely, very rarely, but it does happen, every once in a while we'll go out to our mailbox and there'll actually be a piece of real, legitimate.
Wow.
Yeah.
Real mail?
Yes.
Wow.
So
That's weird.
about 3 months ago, I got a letter in the mail and I saved it.
Let me see it.
Okay. So this is the thing. I see you seeing me seeing you. Okay. Okay. Dear Santa, Chris, and Kelly. Yep.
Okay.
All we want for Christmas is glitter. We've got glitter!
We've got glitter!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Tell them.
So we have a limited edition color for the holidays, and it is called Shine.
What's it called?
Shine. Oh my goodness.
Shine.
Take that off.
Get it? Shine. Sorry. I couldn't help myself.
Okay.
Gonna show them?
Our really cute little luminary box. This is what it's going to come in. With some really pretty sparkly paper. So, you get a 10 ml polish bottle of Shine, a 5-gram jar with a super special pretty rose gold lid.
But wait, there's more.
A top coat.
Top coat.
And a free color fill can.
Ooh!
So excited. This color is so beautiful.
Can we show them?
Yeah.
Let's show them.
Okay, so let me close this up. So what I'm gonna do is Chris is gonna show you Shine, and I am going to take kind of like a little close-up video so we can
Show you shine. Say that 3 times fast. Show you shine, show you shine, show you shine.
with my little light to shine on shine.
Where did that come from?
What do you mean?
It's like Hogwarts up in here. You're like, light, bing.
Bing.
I don't know where.
Came out
Okay.
of nowhere.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna hit record.
Yep. Are you ready?
Ready?
Can you see this?
It's upside down.
Is that better?
Yes.
Okay. So we're gonna open this up. Yeah. All right. Look at this.
Oh my
gonna-
gosh, it's hard to see.
We'll
There
fix
it is.
that.
I'm kind of putting the light over a little bit.
It
It has 2 different glitters in here. One is a little bit of a chunkier glitter, and one is like a shimmer.
It has
And-
a ton of that. You know how I know how much it has in there?
How much?
Do you know how I know?
Oh, how do you know?
Yeah,
How?
because I made it.
So this is a beautiful pale pink. It's unlike any of our other pinks that we have. So you guys are not, let me get closer again. You guys are not going to want to miss Shine. And it is now available for a limited time, so make sure that you guys go to the website or to one of our distributors and grab your Shine today, and you can have it before Christmas.
Couple things. Okay, first is,
I'm still recording? Yes, I'm still recording.
you guys are going to want to see it on nails? No problem. Check out the really cool commercial that we made for Shine. I mean, call it commercial, whatever, but It's a lot of fun. We had a great time making it. We really put ourselves into it, so please let us know what you think of that. We think it's a lot of fun. And the other thing is, there are only so many of these kits available. It literally is a very limited run. So if you guys want the glitter,
grab it.
Grab it.
Quickly.
Get it.
I wonder if it'll sell out today. It might.
I would expect it, yeah.
But okay.
So I'm going to buy half of them. I have a lot of people to give gifts to. Which is another good point. If you know somebody, boyfriend, girlfriend,
mom, dad,
German Shepherd, anybody, let them know.
Let them know this is what you want for Christmas. So shoot them the video, tag them in the video, let them know I need shine from Luminary for Christmas.
Yep. Got it?
Yep. So happy holidays, whatever holiday that you celebrate. Doesn't have to be Christmas. There's many holidays out there. And be merry, be jolly, be happy.
Most importantly, be happy, be good to yourself, and be good to others. We love you guys.
Love you guys.
Ooh, that's good.
It's really good.
Here at Luminary Nail Systems, we know what you really want. And just because the holidays must come to an end doesn't mean that you don't deserve something to celebrate. Introducing Shine. It's got glitter, only available for limited time, and only while supplies last. Are you ready to shine?